Queen and stuff. I have a question, but what happened to the front of 4340? Did it get into a wreck? Or were you guys just lazy about just repainting it? So, I don't know. Norfolk Southern, I have a question, but um, where's the front of this locomotive? I mean, stripes are there, but where's the horse?
Before time began, there was the cube.
Okay, CP, I like your light gray, yellow, and maroon red paint scheme, but you went from this to this because it reminds me of a Southern Railroad, and I think you should just redo it because it reminded me of that, and I'm kind of scared. I hope you all like this video. I hope you guys are happy that the series is back. Like, dislike, comment, hit that bell for more notifications. Share this with your friends. And yeah, let's get to 600. I'll see you guys back on the high iron.